Hello guys, welcome to Big Pro. Here I'm Dawa and this is my channel. In this channel I will upload technical videos. So today I'm going to show you all how to download Kinemaster without any watermark. So without much more talking, let's start with our work. First I have downloaded Kinemaster from Play Store, which is having watermark. So just go to Play Store and type Kinemaster, Kinemaster, Kinemaster. So click there. Now it's downloading. Let's wait for a few minutes. So these are the reviews by the users. So it is 41.33 MB. Oh yeah, it's now installing. So let's again wait for a few minutes. So it was installed. Let's go to Kinemaster and check it out. So now let's see whether it has watermark or not. Yeah, it has got watermark. So if you download Kinemaster any version from Play Store, you will get watermark. So I'm just, yeah, there is one delete option here, so, but it is for trial, and if you want to use it for lifetime you have to buy. So in order to remove this watermark, I will show you how to download without watermark. So let's on our internet, let's go to Google Chrome and let's type here in search menu AC market. Yeah, here it's coming, acmarket.net. So it is the official site of AC Market. Here we can get any kind of apps or games. So download and it is directed to official website, and click download. Yeah, it's downloading now. Let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it was downloaded. Let's install it. Click setting, then unknown sources, click install. Yeah, it is installing now. Oh yeah, it was installed. Let's open the app. Hello. Yeah, this is the how it is looking like. So there are many type of apps and games here. Let's search Kinemaster here. type Kinemaster. Yeah, here it is, Kinemaster. So let's click on the Kinemaster. Oh yeah, there is download option there. Let's see what are present here. These are the apps related to Kinemaster. So just now we want to download Kinemaster only. Let's see the reviews. Some reviews are good and some are not good. Let's see how it is working. We are downloading the Kinemaster. It is downloading now. So let's wait for a few minutes. These are the reviews given by the user of Kinemaster from this AC market, but some of the reviews are not good. Let's see how it is. Yeah, we have downloaded almost 99%. Yeah, it was downloaded now. Let's install. Click unknown sources, click install. Yeah, it is installing now. It was installed. Let's see whether it is having watermark or not. Just allow compose. Yeah, it is opening now. Oh yeah, it is asking for the aspect ratio. I want to click it. Oh yeah, there is no watermark. See here, guys. So let's edit one video. Yeah, click OK. Let's get. See guys, there is no watermark. So this is how we are downloading Kinemaster having no watermark. It is very simple process. You all can do it. Let's try to export it. Here there are three options. It differs from phone to phone. If you are having a great phone, then there will be many more options here. So just now I'm showing that whether it is working or not, but it is working. All the things are working. So it is the process how we can download Kinemaster having no watermark. So if you have enjoyed my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. I will upload video daily. Thank you once again for watching my video.